faces Kandhari Kings, the home teams, to play the finals.
No way, what a performance by both the teams, and undoubtedly deserving finals for All Monsters and Kandhari Kings.
Yes, most importantly, Kazim, both the teams are yet unbeaten in this tournament.
The match trophy, a voucher from On the House, hamper from our gift hamper sponsor Felora.
रुक जा ना, इसका करना है भाई, वो बताएंगे तब तो।
अभी नहीं। कैच
शूट कर रही है, शूट कर। प्रभात भी आए। जल्दी हो, जल्दी हो, यहाँ किसका बाइट करना, जल्दी बताओ।
Catch of the match also goes to Manan.
आ जाओ,
Well played,
जल्दी आ जाओ, जल्दी।
So he gets a trophy from the Spartan Poker and a goodie bag.
One such day when the Kakkar boys are taking it all.
Alright, inviting both the captains to please come over for the toss. Captain of Kandhari Kings and captain of All Monsters.
Please come over. Other team owners, whoever around, most welcome. Let us all have one frame, be in one frame.
Wahab.
Come, brother. Wahab bhai. Wahab bhai. Aye, Hanif bhai. आओ ना, brother. Aye.
Hello.
Got the call and radius it is. So All Monsters have won the toss and have elected to. Yeah, batting first, all the best for the match. Big final coming up. All Monsters taking on Kandhari Kings. This is a 6-over match. All the best for the final.
Let me tell you.
Talking about the Mumbai Cricket Stars, what is the concept, and your team is participating in the, and you're sponsoring as well, so tell me about the initiative.
See, this event is being sponsored by Radius Developers at BKC, Radius Builders, a Sanjay Chabria venture, and Mumbai Cricket Stars LLP is our company. I am Vijay Kandhari from B Kandhari Properties. We have done 3 seasons at Kharjim Khana. If you go through YouTube and Facebook, we are the highest followed league now, and this is a platform being built for cricket lovers, for cricket players, for team owners who inspire to own a team and make the best players of their team play. So it's basically a platform for fitness, for bonding, for friendship. In all this normal life, we all are busy in our routine, in our work, which is creating a lot of stress in mind. So this is a place where we have little fun, we enjoy, we meet.
Right,
so we had...
Before the start of the match, I would like to ask one player from both the teams near the scorer, please. We've got one player from All Monsters and one player from Kandhari Kings near the scorer, please. Hello. Dharmesh is out here.
Hello.
One
welcome.
player from All Monsters.
Hello ji, welcome. कैसे हैं? So basically this is a platform for sports, for fitness, for bonding and friendship. So we desire to play a fair game here, clear game, clean game, where we get together, we have a good friendship bonding. This is the reason MCS is made.
So what is the concept of Mumbai Cricket Stars? How enriching
He is Mr. Pradeep Shetty, my friend, my brother from Heritage Lifestyles, Chembur.
Heritage Group. I'm here to support Vicky Bhai, and he is doing fantastic job, and we are there since the inception of MCS, and we have always supported him, and we are here to support him in his cause, and he's where he's promoting sports, and that is a big thing he's taken up as a cause, and we are always there to support him, and he's doing a good job.
Talking of today's match, which 2 teams are playing and what is the status?
All Monsters is a team which is owned by me and Mr. Junaid Sharif, which normally that team plays in most of the tournaments, leagues happening all over, and it has performed very well. It's a baby. And Kandhari Kings is the team owned by my son Arjun Kandhari and Dharmesh Panchal. So I'm happy that both the teams, are very close to me, have reached the finals. I'm very excited to see the match now. So any team wins, I'll feel I have won. So it's going to be a very entertaining match. Let's hope so.
And in the future, what is the planning for the Mumbai Cricket Stars as such?
Mumbai Cricket Stars is always here to meet and encourage all the sports activities. We have also formed Mumbai Football Stars. So we want to be here for lifelong. It's not, fly-by-night thing. Any ideas anyone has, he's welcome to come to me. And we have all the time and energy and inclination to support it. And it's not a business venture for us. It's a venture where we want the youth to say no to drugs today. They should go to fitness, and once they are in fitness, they have all best eating habits, drinking habits. So basically, if a person desires that he is going to be a sportsman, he is automatically into all best qualities in himself. He sleeps early, he gets up early, and he has a eating, drinking, proper lifestyle as per his fitness. So basically, if you are a sportsman, you will become a healthy person, and that is what our youth should be today. They should go more to fitness. There are so many good things in this life which one should give time to. So MCS is a platform to encourage that and tell the youth, come here, be fit, be healthy, and be the future of our country.
Thank you. Works for us. So this is Sportino Events. We have conceptualized this event, and we are basically executing this event. So all the things you see out here is being managed by us.
What do you say, sir, about the initiative as such you are taking?
This type of initiative, this type of concept is not very popular in India, I should say. We know it's a concept called Hong Kong Super Sixes. So we've tried to bring that concept in today, and I think we were successful.
And what is the main sole purpose of the company as such, to organize sports event basically, or what kind of event?
If you're talking about B. Kandhari and company, they have this company called Mumbai Cricket Stars, where they want to promote sports for healthy living. And this is basically one such place where you get a chance to do networking. So all the team owners, if you see, we've got Sapphire Builders, we've got Lalaji Lions, who are basically mineral water manufacturer. Then we have certain digital outdoor hoardings company who have participated or become the owners of teams. And this was an 8-team tournament which happened. 6 overs matches were being played, where 8 players were on the field. So basically this is cricket. It's Sunday, it's a fun day. Along with that, most important is networking, getting to know each other, and working together in the future.
And besides cricket, what are the other sports you will be focusing on?
At the moment we are only into cricket, but very soon we'll also move into football. Yeah. Cricket is foremost the first thing for us, and then we'll move on to football for sure.
Thanks, sir.
Okay. He is Mr. Tariq Merchant. He is the director of Sapphire Group of Companies. Myself, my name is Zain Ali Wakil. I am the marketing manager in the company. We have our own team. We have 2 cricket teams. We, as a group, we are very fond of this game. We ourselves conduct tournaments. So we have our own underarm team. We also have an overarm team. So it's about the passion for the game.
So what really made you to passion of the game? Besides, what is the real motive for being associated with this kind of?
The motive is firstly to play at this platform. Secondly, playing with such reputed teams and with big name players of big names. And also the team owners are also very well reputed in the industry and in the same business. So it is also our friendship with them that is encourage us to participate in this tournament.
Talking about your business, what kind of business the company does, and in the future, what is the vision for the company?
Well, we are a very diverse company. We are into constructions, we are into hotels, we have a restaurant, we are into electronics, and also our latest upcoming project is we are launching an app which is a laundry service app. So that app will be live next week. It is by the name of Wash and Dry.
And sir, what about other sports as such? Are you going to support other sports as well?
We would definitely love to support other sports also. Okay. We are into cricket since a very long time, associated with it. With Sportino Events, always there with them.
What really motivated you to support this initiative? What is so different about the initiative as such? Mumbai?
See, it's practically very friendly around. The atmosphere is good. When we are getting good teams, you're getting to do interactions where it is well organized. So we would love to participate in that. Thank you.
Well, Vicky Kandhari, MCX जो tournament अभी हो रहा है, it's a very good tournament, and Vicky Kandhari and Junaid, they both are very good friends of ours. और हमें फॉर्मेट बताया, हमें अच्छा लगा एंड वी पुट इन आवर टीम सिंस वी ऑल आर फ्रॉम सबर्ब्स बैंड्रा, विश देम ऑल द बेस्ट। और दोनों घर की टीम खेल रही है, ऑल मॉन्स्टर्स एंड विकी कंदारी। लेट्स get the best team out of it over here. The tournament was nice, everything was well organized, and inshallah we look forward for another tournament like that.
So what is the vision for the Mumbai Cricket Stars? कि आगे चल के किस तरह से इसको broaden up करना है?
इसको अलग लेवल पे लेके जाना है। We definitely we going to support Vicky and Junis for the same thing. I mean, whatever help they need from us, we always there behind them.
मेरे बड़े भाई बुलाते हैं तो मैं आता हूँ, और ऐसे लोग बुलाते हैं, और गोटे अंपायर आने से ना कुछ तो लोग एक चेंज हो जाता है, कुछ मज़ा आ जाती है, कुछ तो है। जैसे मेरे गुरु बिली बॉर्डन, वो करने के बाद मैंने एक नया चीज़ के लिया कि यार क्यों बिली बॉर्डन अगर किए तो मैं और नया क्या करूँ, तो मैंने किया, अरे दी वानो, फिर मैं अमिताभ किया, धर्मेंद्र का किया। अभी सर को पूछो, कंदड़ी साहब को, खुद वो लेडीज़ लोग किधर तो होटल से लगता लगा नाश्ता कर रहे थे, जा रहे थे, पर वो रुके, और हर एक अरे यार क्या मज़ा आ रहा है। हर मैच करते करते, जैसे कि दिलीप वेंगसरकर एक बार 6 लाख के पनवेल में आए थे, फिर वो बोले अरे चेलगर ना सकते तो हमारा गोटे अंपायर क्यों नहीं ना सकता है। रविंद्र जडेजा ने जो डाला, और मैं इतिहास किया टेनिस क्रिकेट का, एक ऐसा है कि लोग मुझे बुलाते हैं। अभी मैं चिपलून जा रहा हूँ, और दोस्तों में एक दिल से बात बोलता हूँ, मीडिया मेरे को 0 से हीरो बनाती है।
सर क्या कहना चाहिए, आज कितना आपको अच्छा लगा यहाँ पे आकर?
सर पहली बात तो मैं दिल से बोलता हूँ, गंधारी साहब कभी भी टूर्नामेंट चालू होने के बाद अरे यार गोटे अंपायर है क्या, नहीं है, अरे आना चाहिए, वो है। और दिल से बड़े भाई बोले तो दिल से आता हूँ एकदम।
सर कुछ आप अपनी स्टाइल में कुछ करके दिखाना चाहेंगे आप?
जली को आग कहते हैं, भुजी को राख कहते हैं, जिस राख से बारूद निकलता है उसे तो गोटा अंपायर कहते हैं।
सलमान खान का कुछ हो जाए?
नहीं, वो बड़े सीनियर है आज के बस। और मैं तो अमिताभ का भी लेता हूँ, साला आज भी मैं पैसे फेंके नहीं उठाता हूँ। और जब भी गंधारी साहब मुझे बुलाएंगे तो मैं दौड़ा चलाऊंगा।
अरे वाह सर, काफ़ी सर आपकी अप्रिशिएट कर रहे हैं सर, आपको काफ़ी तारीफ मिलती है हर जगह से, ना कि आज ही, हर लोग आपकी तारीफ करते रहते हैं।
बस ये तो गोटिया जी का एक ऑरा है। आपने MCS सीज़न 3 में अगर आप वीडियो देखेंगे तो पूरे क्राउड ने इनको कंधे पे उठाया था, जैसे नॉर्मली बैट्समैन या बॉलर को उठाते हैं, बट खार जिमखाना में जो हमारा MCS सीज़न 3 हुआ था, वहाँ पे एटलीस्ट 1000 से ऊपर लोग ग्राउंड पे मैच देख रहे थे। और इनका जो परफॉर्मेंस है, इनका जो एंटरटेनमेंट प्रेजेंस है, इट इज़ समथिंग वेरी डिफरेंट एंड वेरी नाइस। आई एम हैप्पी दैट ही इज़ हियर। आई एम थैंकफुल टू ऑल द स्पॉन्सर्स जिनके सपोर्ट से मैंने ये इवेंट किया है। स्पेशल थैंक्स टू रेडियस, संजय छाबरिया ग्रुप, एंड माई ऑल अदर स्पॉन्सर्स, माई फ्रेंड, माई ब्रदर प्रदीप शेट्टी फ्रॉम हेरिटेज लाइफस्टाइल्स चेंबूर, जॉय ग्रुप, के हिमानी कंस्ट्रक्शंस, स्पार्टन, गिव मी द लिस्ट, जीशान, आई शुड मेंशन ऑल नेम्स। आई वांट टू थैंक ईच वन who has supported us, and Nom who's my food partner. So I really thank each one of you present here, each owner, each player, because this is a platform which I want to make for repetitive games like this should happen, and we all should meet, connect, we should play fair, clean, good cricket.
ये टूर्नामेंट को लोग काफ़ी जानने लगे, नॉट ओनली जो लोकल में, नेशनल लेवल में, रीजनल लेवल में ज़्यादा जानने लगे हैं। इसका श्रेय किसको आप देना चाहिए?
मैं श्रेय सब प्लेयर्स को देना चाहूँगा, बिकॉज ये पूरी क्रिकेट तब इम्पॉर्टेंट होती है जहाँ क्वालिटी प्लेयर्स खेलते हैं। तो यहाँ पे जितने भी क्वालिटी प्लेयर्स ने परफॉर्म किया है, मैं उन सब को ये पूरा श्रेय देना चाहूँगा, बिकॉज हम तो एक कैनवस दे सकते हैं, वो पेंटर के ऊपर है वो कितनी खूबसूरत पेंटिंग बनाता है। So I feel कि each and every person on the field, from Gotia, going to all the empires, to the players, to the audience, इन सब के ऊपर ये श्रेय है कि we have reached to this level, और हमारे plans बहुत और आगे बढ़ने के हैं। हमारी इच्छा ये है कि हम MCS को एक मुकाम पे लेके जाएं जहाँ पे हर आदमी को भरोसा हो कि यस मुझे MCS में खेलना है, वो गर्व से बोले कि मैं एक MCS प्लेयर हूँ।
ओके सर, आपके स्पॉन्सरशिप
हाँ।
के बारे में कुछ आप सर इधर
आइए, प्रदीप शेट्टी जी प्लीज कम सर। ये थोड़ा कम बोलते हैं मगर अच्छा बोलते हैं।
tournament.
Yeah, right.
What do you say regarding that?
See, we have always supported MCS and we will be always there, and they have taken a good initiative to promote the sports, and Vicky Kandari is doing a fantastic job promoting cricket among the youngsters, and this is, I think, good initiative by B Kandari Properties, and they are doing a fantastic job, and we always support them.
So as a businessman, when you think you should support this kind of cause?
It is not that it is not doing it for some personal gain or something. It is there. We are there for the sports. So we wanted to promote the sport. So as Vicky Bhai rightly said that you should encouraging youngsters, and it will. I think more of discipline in their lifestyles and other things. So I feel this is a good initiative taken by MCS, and we always support them. Thank you.
It's a fantastic game. Actually, I enjoyed the game. It's a superb game. Actually, it's a very close game first of all, and it's a superb game. And Vicky Bhai is always energetic. I've seen him for last few years, so he's always energetic for all these games and all. Actually. Thanks.
He is Mr. Dharmesh Panchal, my younger brother, and he is the main base when we started MCS Season 1. It is his effort that we are here, and he is the owner of the Kandari Kings team along with Arjun Kandari. And I really am very thankful to him that he has done all this in my love and respect, with no commercial thought ever. आज के माहौल में जहाँ हर चीज़ पैसों से तोली जाती है, इन्होंने कभी कुछ तोला नहीं है. इन्होंने सिर्फ मैंने जो बोला है वो किया है. So I am thankful to Mr. Dharmesh Panchal. It's all his effort.
Sir is giving a lot of appreciation to you, and he's recognizing your work. What do you want to say regarding that?
As he said, I am his younger brother, so he's my little brother, and he has always supported, and he is like a big brother to me. Like there is no, as he mentioned, there is no monetary between us. So
how it is a difficult journey you're from first season to now this season?
That's a long story.
We would like to call Sportino Events, Kazim and Z. They have done a lot of effort here. I want them to be here.
Yes,
Kazim and Z, please come.
Come, brother.
I would really clap and hats off to them for their each effort.
Thank you.
And I would like to call Junaid Bhai, without whom I cannot come here. Junaid Bhai does not, like to face the camera. He's a shy guy.
I would only say one thing, and that is a very big thank you to Mr. Vicky Kandari and Mr. Junaid Sharif. It is these two guys who believe in us, and they gave us this tournament. So in the end, it was conceptualized and it was managed by us. So basically, once again, thank you to Vicky sir and thank you to Junaid sir for giving us the MCS Super Sixes.
Sir, anything your thoughts, sir? Lot of appreciation.
I will talk on his behalf. You can ask me the question. MCS Super Sixes Series 1. Hope all of you out here, present out here, as well as watching us on YouTube, 7-Star Digital, Facebook, enjoyed it. A big round of applause for all the players, owners, spectators on the ground, the media out here covering this tournament. Thank you all for making this a fantastic tournament, a successful day. Right, it's time to thank all our sponsors, and big request, once again, like to thank the sponsors, Director of the League, Mr. Junaid Sharif, Mr. Vicky Kandari, the entire support team, Dharmesh, Arjun Kandari, Radius, our title sponsor, Nom Nom, Hitesh Keswani. We've got our sponsor from Heritage as well out here. So thank you guys, thank you for supporting this league. Without you sponsors, a tournament of this caliber would not have been possible. Sukhothai, Nom Nom, On the House, Pelora, lots of sponsors attached to this tournament. Thank you guys. And moving on, once again I would like to congratulate Team Kandari Kings for a fantastic win, unbeaten in this tournament. Let's not take anything away from All Monsters. This team was unbeaten till the final, so big round of applause for All Monsters. Fantastically played, guys.
Time to facilitate the players for their outstanding efforts. We will start with the man of the match of the finals, and undoubtedly it goes to Harsh Tank.
जब भी करना हो संघर्ष याद करो हर्ष.
From Mr. Pradeep Shetty, a voucher from On the House, and also a gift hamper from Pelora. Next one is the leading run scorer of the tournament, and it also goes to Harsh Tank. Mr. Vicky and Mr. Junaid.
Check.
And also a cash prize of rupees 10,000.
This is the new nota recently made.
Right, the next award is for the leading wicket taker of the tournament. And it goes to Shamit.
Yes, Shamit, congrats!
May I request Mr. Tendulkar, please? Best bowler of the tournament, Shamit from All Monsters. He also gets a cash prize of rupees 10,000. Now it's time for the big one, the most prestigious award of the night, the man of the series. And it goes to Harsh. He gets the big nickname trophy as well as cash prize of 15,000 rupees. And I said by the director, this is the check today. Played Harsh. Alright, moving on to Zishan.
Right, before I move on, Kazim, we'll talk a little about Mr. Vicky Kandari, Mr. Junaid Sharif, fantastic partners. These guys are brothers. Fantastically, they have this team, All Monsters. They have this team, Kandari Kings, all together. Both of them support this team, underarm, overarm, wherever it is. When the name All Monsters comes, there's only one thing, and that is champions. Let's not forget, on the checks also we have All Monsters and Kandari King right next to each other. So these guys are fabulous, supporting all the tournaments and, believe me, champions of almost all the tournaments. Moving on, it's time now to congratulate and award the runners-up team, that is All Monsters. I would request each player, Captain Last, to come ahead and request Mr. Vicky Kandari to give away their trophies to each player. Captain Last.
अनिक भाई
Time to invite the captain of All Monsters. So he takes the runners-up trophy and cash 50,000 to go along with it. Big round of applause for All Monsters. Very well played. Congratulations to the entire team, entire unit, and Mr. Junaid Sharif as well. All Monsters, the runners-up of MCS Super Sixes Series 1.
इसको हाथ में ले लो ना कोई सुमित
हाथ में डाल
आप आ जाइए इसको पकड़िए ना
आ लिया ध्यान ले लेना
Well played, too good.
The entire team to come ahead. Kandari Kings it is, Mr. Junaid Sharif will give away the awards. Captain Last, Damesh, you need to wait for a few minutes more. So Captain Last. Let us wait for a few moments. Alright, Dharmesh, the captain, Kandari Kings, time to give away the winner's trophy along with check of 1 lakh rupees, the winning prize. Kandari Kings, Dharmesh, with the winner's trophy.
Come on, all boys.
waits at the champions board. The entire team waits at the champions board. Dharmesh, Mr. Vicky Kandari to join in at the champions.
गणपति बाप्पा मोरिया। जय माता दी।
जय माता दी।